Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Cowboy Boogie, okay? This is for the fellas, all right? This is for you, hence the name Cowboy, okay? So I'm gonna need y'all to come on out here with us. It is a 4-wall dance and it's 4 counts of 8. It is beginner level, simple, so let's get started. All right, turning my back to make it easier to follow. This is my right. This is my left. First count of 8 are simple steps, side steps to the right and then to the left. All right. You start on your right foot and you're traveling to the right. Ready? Right, left, right, left, and then travel to the left. Pick up this left. Left, right, left, right. Okay. The count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, second count is footwork. And all we're doing is right foot out and then in, out to the side, left foot out to the side and in. And then you're going to pick up your right foot, you're going to scoop it. So I'll turn to the side so you can see what I'm talking about. Scoop it up and then stomp. Okay. Then you hold a count and give me a double stomp. All right. So we do this. Right out and then in, left out and then in, right foot with a scoop and a stomp, hold a count, stomp, stomp, 2 stomps. So let me count it out for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right out in, left out in, right foot stomp, stomp, stomp. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to be counting. That's how the song goes. The song tells you what to do, but let me count it out for you. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8. Okay. All right. So let's put those 2 counts of 8 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay. Halfway. All right. Simple, correct? Y'all following along? You getting it? I know you could. All right. Third count of 8. This is probably the hardest, which isn't very hard. We are doing cha-chas and half turns. So we start, our foot is already here with the stomps. So you're going to take your right foot and you're going to cha-cha up forward, right? 1, 2, 3. So that's right, left, right. Take your left foot, step forward, pivot with the half turn, okay? And then you're going to do the same thing on your left foot. Pick up this left, bring it up for a cha-cha, 3 counts, left, right, right? And then take this right foot, step forward, pivot, half turn, all right? So let's do that much. Ready? 5, 6, 7 with the right. Right, left, right, step forward, half turn, left, right, left, step forward, half turn. Okay? And the count is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, step 7, turn 8. Okay? All right, let's put all 3 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2, step 3, turn 4, 5 and 6, step 7, turn 8. We got it? All right. This is so much fun. Okay. And so the last count, the 4th count of 8 are 2 jazz boxes. All right. So the first one you're going to do facing your front wall, and you're going to cross your right foot over your left. All right. Take this left foot, step back, right foot steps back, and then the left foot, the left foot steps up a little bit. All right. So it's cross over, back, back, then step. Okay. So that's the jazz box. And you're going to do 2 of them. The first one you're doing facing the front wall. And when you do the second one, it's a half a turn on that first step. With that crossover with the right over the left, is going to be while you're making your quarter turn. So cross over, back, back, turn. Stop. And that's the end of the dance. Okay, so let's do those jazz boxes. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross over, left back, right back, in step. Cross over while you turn, left back, right back, in step. Okay, and then it starts over. All right, so those are the 4 counts. Let's put them together really slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2, step 3, turn 4, 5 and 6, step 7, turn 8, cross 1, back, back, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay? That's it. So let's do it again. Let's speed it up because the song is, it's an up tempo. It's kind of fast, right? So let's just try to do it to the tempo of the song. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you start over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right out, left out, scoop it up. Cha-cha. And turn, cha-cha. And turn, jazz box. Quarter turn. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Out, in, scoop it, stomp, stomp, stomp. Cha-cha. Step and turn, cha-cha. Step and turn, jazz box. Jazz box. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Moving on up and turn, and moving on up and turn. Now jazz box. Jazz box. Y'all got it? You got it? I know you do. All right. Woo, so much fun. This is like my psyche break. I get a lot out of it. I hope you get something too. If you do, let me know what it is. Let's grow together, okay? Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Love you guys. Mwah!